SEBI introduces a new rule for sharing and using market price data for educational purposes. Securities Exchange Board of India has revised the framework governing the sharing and usage of the market price data for educational and investor awareness activities. The objective is to strike a balance between preventing misuse of recent market data and allowing educators to use relevant information for learning purposes. The revised framework is effective from 1st July 2026. The question is, why was the change required? Earlier, two different timelines were in force. Market infrastructure institutions, MIIs, could share market price data for educational purposes after a one-day delay. And educational institutions and persons engaged solely in education could use such data only after a 3-month delay. So market participants represented to SEBI that a one-day delay was too short and could result in misuse of market data. And 3-month delay made the information outdated after effective education. This is outdated because 3 months. So after public consultation, SEBI decided to introduce a single uniform standard instead of two different pattern. So what is the change is uniform 30-day time lag. SEBI has prescribed a 30-day time lag for both sharing of market price data and usage of such data for educational and awareness activities. So what is happening here? This replaces the earlier dual timelines and provides a consistent regulatory framework. Restriction on recent market data persons engaged exclusively in educational activities cannot use market price data relating to the preceding 30 days while discussing or displaying any security in a manner that may amount to investment advice or recommendation. So the restriction applies irrespective of whether the communication is through videos or online classes or presentations or live sessions or screen sharing or similar platforms. The special relaxation for NISM. Yes, the National Institute of Securities Markets has been granted a limited exemption. NISM may continue to access market price data with a one-day delay, but only for use it in its simulations. So laboratories meant for training and certification purposes. The legal safeguards while sharing the data. Market infrastructure institutions and registered intermediaries must execute appropriate legal agreements before sharing market price data. So these arrangements should contain a safeguard to prevent unauthorized use of data, restrict redistributions, and maintain audit trails and ensure compliance with SEBI's regulatory requirements. So who will be covered for these amendments? So the revised norms apply to recognized stock exchanges, clearing corporations, distributor, depositories, and registered intermediaries, educational institutions, and training platforms using market price data, and investor awareness programs conducted using exchange price. So this is what about the latest amendment. The effective date 1st July 2026. From this date, all educational content using exchange market price data must comply with the new 30-day time lag requirement. Thank you.